Hi, this is Michael Hamilton with Keller Williams, and I am at our listing 325 Harris Road in Cumberland. Today I want to share with you my 5 favorite things about this listing. So the first one is location. As you can see, this is a private, quiet, wooded area, but it is also just 4 minutes away from 295 and 5 minutes away from the Cumberland School system. So you get a rare combination of privacy, but also convenience. Come on inside and I'll show you the rest. Our second item is custom craftsmanship. This home was built by Fletcher Homes, a local builder to Falmouth, Cumberland, and Yarmouth. And as you can see, the custom craftsmanship, the color, the design are all impeccable. Even the fixtures are striking. We have custom cabinets, custom backsplash, amazing granite countertops, this butcher block. Whoever ends up in this home will every day appreciate this builder's attention to detail. Our third favorite thing about this home is the design. It is a truly open concept home without feeling too large or inefficient. It has distinct spaces that are warm and invite you in. Number 4 on our list is energy efficiency. This home was built with the highest level of insulation, blown-in insulation. The unfinished basement is fully insulated. It has a wall-hung, super high-efficiency boiler with on-demand water heaters. Most of the fixtures have LED lights. This home will put more money back in your pocket. Item number 5 for us is room to dream. In any home, it's great to have a space that you can turn into whatever you want. Obviously, this owner had his own vision for the unfinished basement. In addition to the unfinished basement, this home also boasts of a large bonus living space, which is limited only by your imagination. If you have any questions about 325 Harris Road or listing your home, give us a call today.